Hello, welcome back. So, problem number 16. Mr. Wilkins deposits $2,500 in his new account at his bank. The bank pays 6.5 interest compounded annually on his account. Mr. Wilkins makes no additional deposits or withdrawals. Which amount closest to the balance will be in the account at the end of 2 years? So we're going to go back to our STAAR reference guide. And we're going to look under additional information. And under additional information, I have Pythagorean theorem. I have simple interest and I have compound interest. Compound interest is A is equal to P 1 plus R to the T. So now I'm going to write that out, my formula. So I'm going to say A is equal to P times 1 plus R to the power of T. Now, my P, my amount that's the amount, total amount. That's everything that's included. So, now I'm going to put A is equal to my principal, my P is equal to, my P is the principal amount in the account, or whatever we've deposited. That's an awful handwriting, but it's okay. So that's going to be 2,500 times 1 plus. Now our rate is 6.5. Now remember, that needs to be, oops, I'm having technical difficulties, hold on. I accidentally, when I went to my phone to calculate, I accidentally put screenshot. So 6.5 divided by 100, that is going to be 0.065. Time is going to be 2 years, so that means that in 2 years that's going to be, well, let's see, we want to know, do we need to use 2 or do we need to use 24? Usually time is done by months, but let's check. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that on this calculator or not. We'll see. I should be able to. So we have 1 plus point, so this would actually be reduced to 1 plus 0.065 would give us 1.065. So 2,500 times 1.065 to the power of 2. I think it's going to be 24. I don't think that's going to be big enough. 1.065 squared times 2,500 will give us 2,000. Oh, give us one of our answers. 2,835.56. Or let's see, 24. That's using 2. 24 I think is going to be too high. 1.065, oops. 0.065 times, we don't know. Where's my exponent on this calculator? Let me do it on. Bear with me. .3. Yeah, that's going to be too much. So yeah, our T is going to be in times of years. So we need to make sure. So then our answer choice is going to be F. So our T here in terms of T. So P is our principal. And R is our rate. And that needs to be a decimal. And then T is our time in years. Though it's not necessarily always going to be years. It could be, we could have ended up giving you like 24 months. And then, but that, yeah, now I know why they're doing that. That changes the formula a little bit, and then that will be another, that's like another class on finance. You won't get into that if ever. So don't worry about that too much. All right, problem number 17. So problem number 17 is, listen, we're just talking about proportions. So we want to look at our figures. So that means that E to ED over ZY. Well, let's look at our formulas and see which ones works. So the first one, A, we have A to the E over XY. Okay. And then we have CD over to VZ. That won't work. It's wrong proportions. AB, so AB over VW. That would work. To YZ to DE. Now that won't work either, and the reason that it won't work is because I switched my proportion. I changed my proportion ratio. A won't work because we're using the wrong values. It should have been AE to VZ, because look at our length. Or because AB is to VW. All right, in order for that to work. Okay, you have to look at the same, you have, remember, in terms of geometry, we have to look at the same angles. And we have to look at here, remember? We have to look at AB, VW. Okay? CD to XY. So CD would be the one that would work with that. Now we have BC, so let's look at BC. Let's look over here. BC to XY. Nope, that won't work either. Now, lastly, we have AB to VW. Oh, CD to XY. Yep, that's our answer choice. Real straightforward and simple and easy. Not too bad. I'll talk about number 18 on a separate video.